everybody, Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Hey, last week I dialed on this 2016 GT, over 800 real horsepower. We're gonna go over in a second, take a look at the engine compartment, tell you how we got there. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. It's running an Edelbrock. It's the 2650. You might have a lot of questions, so I'll put links in the description about all the parts that are on this car. You can get a little bit more information about it. And don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's it gonna cost to get something like this built for me? Let's go check it out. Okay, before we watch the dyno pull, let me tell you about the mods in this car. So I have Doug with me. We're gonna go down in a second and take a look at the engine compartment, but DSS aluminum drive shaft and DSS half shafts, all right? Awesome parts, they're super strong. McLeod RXT clutch, then all the cooling mods. So I call those supporting mods. So you have some awesome drivetrain upgrades, as well as the cooling mods, which are big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, and 170 T-stat. Now let me tell you about the Edelbrock. So Doug, come down, take a look. It's a TVS 2650. It's essentially like their stage 2 kit. We bought it as a tuner kit because we did the 8-rib conversion. It's got the Edelbrock 8-rib conversion, 3.25 supercharger pulley, and we did a Kinney-Belt boosted pump, of course, Kohler spark plugs, and ID 1050X fuel injectors. We are running, because of the boost, 100 octane race fuel. So it's a very basically simple setup. On the stage 2, you get the 103 throttle body, you get the 113 Kohler intake. So that's a kit offered from Edelbrock, but we bought it as a tuner kit so we can get the bigger injectors. We like using the boosted pump. And of course, don't forget on power like this, you definitely want to do the cooling mods, drive shaft, half shafts. Sweet setup. Our client was wanting about 750 plus real horsepower. We killed that with over 805. So check out this dyno pull. Hey, something I forgot to mention is we also installed Cook's headers. Of course, the free-flowing exhaust with Roush mufflers on this car. That's why it's so loud. And don't forget, billet oil pump gears. That's standard on a package like this. We love doing that. Forgot to mention it, but check this out right here. 805 real horsepower on our DynoJet SAE. That's at 7,600. Remember, running 100 octane race fuel. Torque monstrous. 627 rear wheel torque. 6,000 RPMs is where that peaked out. Killer setup. A setup like this is nuts on the street. I mean, this car driving it is absolutely ludicrous. Doesn't have drag radials on it. That's gotta get some drag radials on it just so you can put this kind of power to the ground. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave a comment if you have questions. Don't forget, email quote@brenspeed.com. Hey, what's this cost to get installed? Also, check that description. I'm gonna put links to all the parts we talked about. It'll offer a lot more info, as well as talk about the octane, the boost, and everything we did to get where we are right now. So, thanks for watching.